G'day guys, it's Johnny's Hot Tip here. Now don't forget to subscribe for your 10 years of good luck. Okay guys, today it's a bit of a warning, more like a hot tip. Now, do not buy your cheap leather jackets. Now they look good in the shop when you first buy them. Now I'm going to show you this one after about a year, show you how she actually looks. So it's all ripping up past here, it's all shitty and yucky in the collar there, it's all, flaking, falling apart. So do not buy your cheap leather jackets, boys. Save up, get yourself a nice decent one, alright, because this is unreal. Like, I think I paid like $500 for this, and look, didn't even last me a year, just falling a bit. So do not buy them, just do not get them. Same with these belts, right? Buy a proper leather belt from a leather bloke, alright? Don't buy these cheap and nasty ones, but look at that, it's not even leather, it's just like plasticky rubbish, alright? You pay, 60, $70 for something like this and it's just plastic rubbish. You go to your leather bloke and it'll be exactly the same price, but you won't get this rubbish, alright? So it's a pre-warning, guys. Buy your real leather stuff. Don't buy this junk, alright? Otherwise you end up with all kinds of problems. Alright guys, it's Johnny's Hot Tip. See you on the next one.